GraphQL Basics. GraphQL Basics Introduction. Modern applications often need efficient communication between check. Front-end applications, check. Mobile apps, check. Backend services, check. Microservices. Traditionally, many systems use REST APIs, but REST can sometimes cause problems, such as check overfetching data, check underfetching data, check multiple API requests, rigid endpoints. To solve these issues, Facebook introduced GraphQL. A very common beginner question is, what is GraphQL and how does it work? This topic explains what GraphQL is, how GraphQL works, queries, mutations, schemas, types, resolvers, advantages, and limitations. Real-world examples, best practices. This is a foundational backend and API development topic. What is GraphQL? Simple definition. GraphQL is a query language for APIs and also a runtime for executing those queries. GraphQL allows clients to request exactly the data they need. REST versus GraphQL. REST example. Get users 1 may return ID 1, name John, email john@test.com, address ... Even if frontend only needs copy name. This is called overfetching. GraphQL solution. Client requests only required fields. Example query. User ID 1, name, response, data, user, name, John. Core idea of GraphQL client decides data shape, instead of server deciding fixed response structure. Main components of GraphQL. GraphQL mainly consists of component purpose query, read data, mutation, modify data, subscription, real-time updates, schema, API structure, resolver, fetch actual data. Queries are used to fetch, read data. Example query, users, ID, name, email. Example response, data, users, ID 1, name, John, email, john@test.com. GraphQL supports nested relationships naturally. Example, user ID 1, name posts, title, response, data user, name John, posts, title, GraphQL Basics. 2. Mutations. Mutations are used to create, update, delete data. Example mutation. Create user, name John, ID, name, VATCAP, response, data create user, ID 1, name John. Subscriptions provide real-time updates, commonly used in chats, notifications, live dashboards. Example subscription, message added, ID text, GraphQL schema. The schema defines API structure and types. Example schema type user, ID, name, string, age, int. Understanding schema types. Type meaning, string text, int integer, boolean true false, ID unique identifier, none null. Query type example, type query. Users defines available queries. Mutation type example, type mutation, create user, name string. What are resolvers? Resolvers contain actual backend logic. Example, const resolvers equals query. Users. Return database.users. Internal GraphQL flow client query. GraphQL server. Schema validation. Resolvers execute. Data returned. Why GraphQL became popular. Check. Flexible queries. Reduced overfetching. Strong typing. Front-end friendly. Single endpoint. Great developer experience. Single endpoint design. REST usually has users, posts, comments. GraphQL commonly uses GraphQL. Single endpoint handles all operations. Example, REST versus GraphQL requests. REST, get users 1 posts. Multiple requests. GraphQL, user ID 1, name posts, title. Single request. Advantages of GraphQL. Check. Fetch exactly needed data. Fewer network requests. Strong typing system. Self-documenting APIs. Excellent front-end flexibility. Supports nested data naturally. Limitations of GraphQL. More backend complexity. Query optimization challenges. Caching harder than REST. Deeply nested queries can become expensive. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Fetching too much nested data. Can create performance problems. 2. Treating GraphQL like database queries. GraphQL is Kirk API layer, not database engine. 3. Ignoring schema design. Poor schemas lead to confusing APIs. 4. Missing N+1 query problems. Resolvers can accidentally create excessive database calls. GraphQL and Java ecosystem. Common Java GraphQL tools. Tool purpose: GraphQL Java Core GraphQL Library, Spring GraphQL, Spring Boot integration, Apollo GraphQL Client Server, Netflix DGS GraphQL Framework. Example: Spring Boot, GraphQL @query mapping, public user by ID, @argument long ID, return service, .find by ID. GraphQL versus REST. Feature: REST GraphQL, multiple endpoints, XX, single endpoint, XX, overfetching risk, limited, high, strong typing, optional, built-in best practices. Design clean schemas. Avoid overly deep queries. Use pagination. Optimize resolvers. Validate query complexity. Use data loader for batching. Simple definition: GraphQL. A query language and runtime that allows clients to request exactly the data they need from an API. Simple definition: resolver. Backend function, responsible for fetching GraphQL data. Final summary. GraphQL is a modern API technology that allows clients to hack, request exactly needed data, hack, reduce unnecessary API calls, hack, work with strongly typed schemas. Core concepts include queries, mutations, subscriptions, schemas, resolvers. Example query: user ID 1, name. Key idea: GraphQL gives clients flexible control over API responses while using a strongly typed schema-driven architecture.